It exceeded my expectations. I knew it's probably going to be really good and transformative, and it has been. It was my first time in India, and I loved it straight away. And just the organization and everything was really great. I came here with the aim to kind of reset, to start a new year with a fresh mind, fresh body, fresh attitude, and that's exactly what I've achieved. I truly loved it so much that I'm already thinking of coming back. But it's been great to be among such a beautiful people and like-minded people, and it was very well organized. We had lots of activities, but it was a really good balance of kind of education, some fun, some free time, some outings, and obviously Panchakarma and the procedures. I didn't really know much about Panchakarma, but everything was very well explained. I was very kind of looked after. I felt cared for. The team at Greens are fantastic. There is a fantastic atmosphere here. Overall, yeah, I loved it. It brought up some unexpected things which I didn't think would come up, but yeah, I would wholeheartedly recommend it. I would do it again, and I hope that I will. My heart is really full. I know it sounds cheesy, but I'm leaving with really good feeling. What came up for me was kind of my renewed gratitude for the people in my life. Not that I wasn't grateful for them before, but my family allowed me to be here, and I feel so grateful, and the feeling is so much clearer, I guess, than it was before. I'm just really grateful for the blessings in my life, and I look forward to going back home, and I hope that my loved ones are going to kind of receive the new me well, but I just feel so much more love than I did before. I learned a lot about the way to eat, the way to look after myself, especially because I'm a Pitta dosha, which is not something I fully realized, but it really resonated with me because I can see the characteristics of Pitta in me very much, and I really feel that through the yoga and the breathing and the meditation that you taught us, as well as the food and the various different procedures, you can really alter your lifestyle to truly kind of fit in with who you are and what you need to do for yourself, because there is so much advice out there which is kind of one size fits all, and we are all different. And so I think this is the difference in Ayurveda, that it takes different approach to different constitutions, and I'm really determined to keep this going and be good, but reasonably good. I don't want to be too strict, but continue with this new knowledge and apply it more in my life going forward. Thank you. It was lovely to be here.